This is to show you how to make payments to your vendors or suppliers. You would go into payables. Open summary will show you what you owe your suppliers. To pay them, you go to select to pay, view them. You can then at that point select full or partial of what you want to pay. And then say make indicated selection and show all to pay. It will show you a pre-check report that can be approved by your accounting department. Then when you're ready to cut checks, you go into print check and then verify the next check number is on here, which is the 15969. And the bank that you want to cut the check from, the check dates and GL post date. It says you have 5 vouchers and 3 checks for this amount to be paid. You click on payment. It pulls up the checks on your screen. You can verify those checks. You do right-click print, and you print them to your printer. After you verified that they printed okay, you can then do posting. Otherwise, you can go into this payment as many times as you want. And you can change the check numbers back by going into bank reconciliation.